Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone with Xbox and PS4. First, navigate to your game settings and enable the crossplay option. This crucial step allows players from different platforms to connect. Next, you'll need to link your Xbox or PlayStation account to an Activision account. This unified account system is what makes cross-platform play possible, so make sure it's set up correctly. Once crossplay is enabled, adding friends is straightforward. You'll need your friend's Activision ID, which includes a numerical tag, like gamertag #1234567. Use this ID to send them a friend request directly within the game. After they accept, you can invite them to your party, regardless of whether they are on Xbox or PlayStation. This allows for seamless team-ups. Call of Duty Warzone fully supports crossplay across all its game modes, so you can jump into any match with your friends. Effective communication is key to victory, so make sure to use the in-game voice chat. This feature works seamlessly between platforms, allowing you to strategize with your teammates. Remember to adjust your audio settings for the best experience. If you encounter any issues, first check your network address translation type. An open type generally provides the best connection. Always ensure your game and console software are fully updated to avoid compatibility problems. For more gaming tips and other great deals, check the description below this video. And remember, a smooth connection and updated software are your best allies for a great cross-platform Warzone experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.